Hi, so today we're going to be talking on inverse Laplace transform, and we're given this particular function. We have to find the inverse. So to do this, I'm going to break this down. So I have a over s, that's the denominator. I'm trying to simplify the denominator, plus b over s squared plus c over s plus 1 plus d over s plus 3. Okay, now this becomes way much easier to solve this way, and I'm going to be using something called the cover up rule in order for you to understand this easily. And cover up rule is actually very easy and quite straightforward. Now this is what happens in the cover up rule. To get d, I'm going to be starting from d. To get d now, d becomes equals to, let's solve out for d. So d is equals to, I have my 10s plus 2 over s squared into bracket s plus 1. Now what you do is that if you want to solve for d, in the main equation remove the denominator of d, which is s plus 3. Now if you equate s plus 3 to 0, okay, you'll be having your s to be equals to minus 3. So s equals to minus 3. That's, you remove the denominator of d from the major equation itself and substitute the value of s when you equate that value to 0. This becomes 10 into bracket minus 3 plus 2 over minus 3 squared into bracket minus 3 plus 1. Now if you solve this correctly, you should have your d to be equals to 5 over 9. Now this is settled. I'm going to move on to solve for c. Now for c, just like we've done earlier, it's just the same thing. I have my c equals to, now in this case you remove s plus 1 from the denominator, so I have 10s plus 2, okay, over s squared into bracket s plus 3. Do not forget we've removed the s plus 1 that is supposed to be there. Now if you equate s plus 1 equals to 0, you see that s is equals to minus 1. Now after substituting, you should have 10 into bracket minus 1 plus 2, okay, over, I have minus 1 squared into bracket minus 1 plus 3. Now after doing this, you have your final answer to be equals to 5. Now let's move on to solve for b. Now for b, what happens is that b becomes equals to, I have 10s, just like what we've done before, almost the same thing. In this case, I'll have 10s plus 2 over, I have s plus 1 into bracket s plus 3. If you look at the denominator of b is s squared, so I just simply removed s squared. Now for s squared, if you equate s squared equals to 0, your s will still be equals to 0. Now this becomes, b is equals to 10 into bracket 0 will give you 0, so I have 2 over 10 into brackets s plus 2, sorry, it's supposed to be bracket here, so I have 10 into bracket 2 over s plus 1 s plus 3, that's 1 plus 3. So I have my answer 1 into bracket 3, sorry about that, 1 into bracket 3. This is a multiplication sign, not an addition sign. So I have my answer to be 20 over 3. Now the last one is a. Now a is the only part that is the trickiest part. The rest are quite easy and direct. Now to calculate for the a, I have the a. Now let's look at a. The denominator of a is s. Now if you can try it out somewhere. If you decide to do it like the way you've done the rest and put 0, you'll be getting an undefined solution, which is not supposed to be. Now what do I do here? Let's just watch very carefully. Now this becomes 10s plus 2. If you equate s to 0, you get 0. So I have s plus 1 into bracket s plus 3. So I remove the s squared there at s is equals to 0 in this case. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be differentiating this. Now by differentiating this, from your understanding of differentiation, if you have u over v, it becomes v du minus u dv over v squared. So that's the exact same thing I'm going to do here. My v here is s plus 1, s plus 3. So I have s plus 1 into bracket s plus 3. If I differentiate 10 into bracket s plus 2, I'll have 10. Okay? Minus my u here is 10 into bracket s plus 2. Now if I differentiate this, I'll get 2s plus 6. You can try to do it on a piece of paper to confirm. You get 2s plus 6 over your v squared. Your v squared becomes s plus 1 all squared into bracket s plus 3 all squared. Now this part is settled. Substitute s is equals to 0 into this particular equation. When you substitute s is equals to 0, you notice that your final answer a will be equals to minus 50 over 9. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you guys understand this. If you have any questions, please contact me. Bye.